Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign out of iCloud on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, go ahead and launch open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, tap on your name at the top of the screen. Scroll down and find the sign out option. Tap on sign out and enter your Apple ID's password. Once you are done typing in your password, tap on turn off at the top right. And soon after you do that, you will be able to sign out of your iCloud on your iPhone. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.